Hey lovelies, if you want to see how I tie this twisted gele, please stay tuned. Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. So the first thing I will be doing on this video, I went in and fold my gele into two equal parts, into 50-50 inches. Then after that, I folded a bit of it at the tips in, like 1 inch of the tips. I folded it in, then start creating my plate. So I make sure that I created enough plates for what I really desire for. So you can go ahead and create more than enough. You can create as many as 10, you can create as many as 20 depending on your choice. So after that, I will be tying the gele at the back, but before tying it at the back, I went in and adjust the flap of the gele very well before tying the two flap at the back. So if you want to tie the gele, if you're having a long hairstyle on, you can decide to just fold your hairstyle first before tying the gele, or if you can undo it, you can leave the hair long, you can just leave it so and continue tying your gele. Next thing I will be doing, so after crossing the flap at the back, I've already tied it, as you can see. So I'm making sure that I'm adjusting the layers at the side of my hair, because I really want the layers, the plait to get laid very well before taking the twist. But maybe it's gone. Maybe we're alone. We're running out of time, caught in the fire. Every word's a flame, taking us higher. I'm burning up, can't turn around. In a world so loud, don't let me down. So after that, I went into this flap, the remaining flap, then I started twisting it. You can just see the length of my gele. It is long enough, like I have about 90 inches of the length of the gele. You can see it is long, as in it is long. So you can just see after twisting it, I took it round my head and complete twisting the remaining one. If I continue twisting it from down, you might not be able to really see what I'm doing, so that's why I place it on my head, then continue with it. You can just see now I took the second flap to the back, then took my pin to pin it down, just to secure it down. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this my tutorial. If you do enjoy this my tutorial, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. It is absolutely free. So turn on the post notification bell for more video updates. Comment on the comment section below. Guys, let me know if you love this my voiceover. Let me know, please comment on the comment section below. Guys, share my video with friends and family. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really love you all. God bless you. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Or did we lose the spark?